In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create backlinks in Semrush. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Semrush. Once you've located their website, you'll either need to log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to Semrush. It's usually straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get yourself logged in or signed up. Now that you're in, head over to the Backlink Analytics tool. This is a powerhouse for understanding your link profile and those of your competitors. Start by entering your domain name and the domains of some of your main competitors. This is an incredibly valuable step because it allows you to see not only where you stand, but also where you can potentially outperform your competitors. Once you've entered these details, it's time to dive into the Similar Profiles section. Here, you'll identify competitors based on referring domains. Then, proceed to the Referring Domains report. This will help you understand which websites are linking to your competitors, a crucial piece of the puzzle if you're looking to improve your own backlink strategy. After analyzing this information, you'll want to make use of the link building tool. Start by entering your own domain to see what comes up. This tool helps identify potential link prospects, focusing particularly on sites that are linking to your competitors. These prospects are your potential targets for building new links to your site. Once you have a list of prospects, it's beneficial to utilize filters to sort through them. You can filter by keywords that are relevant to your niche or even by specific competitor websites. If you're familiar with Google's advanced search operators, this is a good time to use them. They'll help refine your search, making your targeting far more precise. Now, as you go through your list, it's essential to assess the quality of each prospect. Look for prospects with high authority scores, strong domain ratings, and good traffic. These metrics are indicators of the potential value of obtaining a backlink from them. It's also a good idea to check if they're already linking to content from your competitors. If they are, there's a strong chance they'll be interested in your material as well, especially if it aligns with their current content themes. Remember, prioritizing prospects that have both high authority and are closely related to your niche is key. These are the links that can offer the most value to your SEO efforts. With this methodical approach, you're on your way to building a strong backlink profile using Semrush.